What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jordan Stamina back again from Flight for Hype, and today we have one of my most favorite sneakers in hand today. But before we get into that, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. And if you are new here, well, welcome to the channel. We hope you're here to stay, and hopefully you do enjoy our content. First things first though, what you need to know about our channel is we like to review sneakers, we also like to do challenges, and we also like to vlog. So if those are some things that you enjoy watching, then this might be the channel for you. Having said that though, let me show you one of my grails that I really picked up today, and I'm so excited to show you guys. We all have that one sneaker grail that we always want and love. It's just kind of hard to get. Now let me know in the comments down below, what is your favorite grail sneaker? And if you have it in your collection right now, let me know what it is. Let me show you exactly what sneakers I'm talking about. Boom! We have a Nike SB box. A lot of people may not know what this is looking at the box, but let me tell you guys, this is crazy. The Nike SB has been back, and they have been skyrocketing in price, and I just feel like these are not going to die anytime soon. The Nike SBs you can't go wrong with. Now if you don't know what Nike SB is Nike skateboarding. So as you can see, that's what SB stands for. Looking at the box, you do see like this Tiffany blue. It consists of white and it comes with black as well. I love seeing a box like this because this is like a major throwback. You don't see beautiful boxes like this anymore, so it's really nice and appreciated to look at. The color code that I got today is, first of all, it's a 9.5 in the sneaker, and the color code is Nike SB Air Jordan 1 Low QS, and the colors that come with it is DK powder blue, and yeah, powder blue as well. And for all the Frenchies out there, Bleu Poudre fonts. Okay, I can't obviously, read that, but whatever. Anyways, and we're gonna get into them right now. Ready? We have the Jordan 1 Low SBs in the UNC colorway. Check this out. This sneaker is so freaking expensive right now, but that's also why I haven't been able to get it. But shouts out to the plugs. You guys know who you are. Thank you so much for putting me on this pair. So let's get into this. So I decided to go with 9.5. The reason why I did is because anytime I buy Jordan 1 Low, they tend to be a little bit more narrow. I have really wide feet. I know, wide feet gang. Honestly, I did put them on before, and they honestly fit me like a glove. These are the colors that represented the University of North Carolina. You have the UNC blue all over the upper, and then you've got the white. Literally, there's nothing else to say about it. It's literally just white and blue. Now a lot of people are looking at me like, dude, why do you like these so much? It's literally just a freaking blue shoe. Well, I know, right? It's just crazy to know that every colorway, it's just like some people just going on with these. For me personally, having a UNC in my collection was a must, just because I feel like the sneaker is so appealing when you look at them, and especially on feet too. The UNC blue is one of my favorite colorways in terms of like actual color. I love the color blue. I'm a big fan of like a lighter blue. Having this in hand is just insane, and I never thought I was going to ever have this. Yes, this pair is not dead stock. I actually was able to get a used pair, and I do recommend it. If you ever get a used pair on a sneaker grail that you want, I mean, there's nothing wrong with paying a little bit less. You can always clean them up as well. There's always a way to fix the leather creasing. There's always a way to fix the scuff. This sneaker right now on StockX is going for around $600, but if you go to other sneaker stores, this will range from either $750 to $800, plus you have to put tax on top of that as well. So I got this for a steal. This released August 12th of 2019, so that's basically like 3 years ago, and it feels like it was yesterday because I remember when these released, and I just tried to get my hands on these, and I just failed horribly. These got botted like crazy, and man, I just really cannot believe that these are in my hands. You guys already seen the review of these, and I just kind of wanted to talk about them because I finally have them in hand, and it feels so good to be able to get a grail that you've actually wanted for such a long time. So let's get into the materials though, because honestly, the materials on this sneaker are super A1. On the toe box you see with the perforated holes, it actually has a nice soft tumbled leather, and I do believe that they did use leather on this sneaker because it feels like it doesn't feel too synthetic. And yeah, I know I just smelled them, but that's the thing. A lot of people don't realize when you smell leather, you can actually determine if it's genuine or not, if it's mixed with synthetic or if it's mixed with genuine leather. The sneaker also might be mixed with both, But having said that, the quality on this sneaker is just insane. These sneakers originally retailed for $110 USD. So I believe if they were in Canada, they would have been $135 Canadian. Obviously, the price of these sneakers have just gone up incredibly high because of the UNC colorway. SBs have been making a comeback when it comes to the resale game. Everybody wants a pair of SBs now. I remember back then, like when you had SBs, people either considered you that you were poor or you didn't really have any style. And a lot of people didn't really wear Jordan 1s back then as well. Now it's 2021. Everyone just wants a pair of SBs. It's so crazy how fashion just repeats itself. First of all, people want to buy vintage like crazy now. I remember when people didn't like wearing vintage, and now vintage is a huge thing. You know, everything just comes back in a cycle. So let's get into the materials. You have the blue UNC all around the upper, which also consists on the swoosh as well. On the one guard, it sort of feels tumbled, maybe because it's a used pair. It's been creased just a tad bit, but I can see that it's got a little bit of tumbling, not too much though, but it looks nice, and I feel like with age, the sneaker is going to just looks so good. Moving on to the back of the heel, I really love how the Wings logo is on here. You can see that it's white and it's embossed and it's painted over in white. It's not one of those Wings logos that's just gonna rub off. It's going to be there for a very long time, and I like that because especially when it comes to quality and you want a sneaker to last, minor details like this is just reasons why it's okay to buy sneakers for such a high price, you know. Moving on to the tongue, you do see the Nike SB tag, and it comes in the UNC colorway with the white tag. The crazy thing about this is it also says Eric Costin. So if you guys don't know who Eric Costin is, he actually is a skateboarder. People saw him wearing this sneaker, basically a part of one of the very first Nike SB Jordan 1 lows. Now the cool thing about this sneaker is it comes with two laces. So as you can see, it comes with the UNC laces and it comes with the white. I'm showing you what it looks like with both. Let me know in the comments down below, what lace do you like better on these sneakers? Do you like the white one or do you like the blue one? I personally think also having an orange one would look so sick on this. Like that would kind of remind me of like an off-white vibe. At the bottom of the sneaker, you do see they're a little bit worn, but you do see that UNC outsole, which is really cool. On the midsole, you do see it's just pure white. Now inside, I'm pretty sure it did have the SB branding on the inside. Obviously, it's a used pair. It got rubbed off, but that's okay because I'm going to be wearing the crap out of these anyways, so it doesn't really matter. Let's just admire the sneaker's beauty because this is literally one of my favorite sneakers of all time. This is a sneaker I know for a fact I'm never going to let go. I'm going to beat these into the ground as much as I can. They're such an expensive pair. I just want to cherish the fact that I have these. You know what I mean? I want to ask you guys a question. What kind of sneakers do you want to see us review next on the channel? Let me know in the comments down below. We want to know what kind of sneakers you would like us to review. So far, our Jordan 1 mids have been doing extremely well right now. So I feel like people are still sleeping on mids. I really think they shouldn't because they're obviously affordable. And the color quality has just been going so crazy with the Jordan 1 mids. If you haven't seen any nice Jordan 1 mid reviews, well, boom, you can see right there. Having said that, if you are new to the channel and you have made it this far in the video, I just wanted to say thank you. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button and hit the like button because likes do go a long way. Interact with each other in the comments. Peace.